A quick recap of the case study order to cash process again. As well as a quick recap of the customer definition model. Now, let's get into KPI mapping. The best way to go about this is to take each leakage type, map it to an order to cash stage, map it to a customer type, and then define the leakage for that customer type across the order to cash process, mapped across the leakage types. The table already has each order to cash stage mapped against each leakage type. So we take each customer and revenue type as per the customer definition model and then identify leakage risk across each leakage type. Some of the leakage risks are easy to identify. In fact, some might already be occurring in your business. It's just a matter of clearly outlining them so as to be able to actively mitigate and strategize against them occurring in future. Now that we're done with our KPI mapping, we can then build our revenue assurance and fraud management model that is contextualized to our business and that can be managed with changing product types, customer types, as well as revenue types. We map each revenue leakage KPI across the order to cash stages based on the given context. We then detail the leakage management strategies required at each step of the order to cash process, based on the leakage risks we've identified in the risk mapping exercise. As we've discussed before, fraud in itself is a form of revenue assurance leakage. However, we've separated it out in this case because it can grow into a beast of its own, depending on the industry and type and size of the company. Separating fraud from the revenue assurance function will make it easier in the context that fraud is a major issue. because in that case, it might be prudent for the organization to rather place it in a specialized forensic department. Once you've got your newly optimized and efficient revenue assurance function, these strategies will evolve from whole frameworks to actions, since your revenue assurance risk mitigation strategy and framework library would already be developed and functioning as required. The operational function of identifying and risk mapping can and should actually remain within the finance operations team. However, the risk management execution should ideally be handled by the forensics function. And there we have it, our hospitality platform revenue assurance governance model. Let's now move on to data-driven revenue assurance execution.